My name is Kondal Reddy. I have started my company Transit Solutions at 2012. I have purchased my Eicher vehicle 40-seater 2012. From there, I did not stop anywhere, and till now we have almost 25 vehicles fleet in Eicher. Yeah, we have Eicher Skyline 10.75 vehicles, and we have Skyline Pro 40-seater pushback vehicles, and overall we have 25 vehicles, and very good KMPL wise and maintenance wise, and we purchased a new house also, and in Hyderabad, and we are running very well now, and very well supported from company side and sales side and maintenance side. The Eicher was very good for my own experience. We don't get any complaint about comfortable and noise and seating and engine noise, nothing, because our employees are very comfortable with Eicher. So because of that, where employees is comfortable, we are also comfortable with them. Because of why we are till now we are with Eicher. In this Eicher, the new technology they are given like M-booster plus cruise control, fuel coaching system. And we are getting the feedback from drivers also. They are very comfortable to drive this vehicle because of clutch and brake, and overall is driving, and gear shifting also very easy to, like steering, and everything is perfect from drivers. The Eicher technologies wise, right now I am using MyEicher app, and I'm sitting idle in home, and wherever I can sit, I can handle my Eicher fleet. I can monitor driver and fuel efficiency. From this app, I am very happy to use this. Overall, I am very satisfied with Eicher, and that my suggestion is my colleagues and my friends, whoever want to kindly go through Eicher.